Hey everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to train your dog how to do a couple of tricks such as spin, by my side, bang bang, also known as play dead, roll over, and go into the crate or place. A lot of it is repetition, and the speed in which your dog will pick up these commands will be dependent on its personality, age, and breed. It may take a lot of practice, so be patient. It definitely helps when your dog is food motivated or loves to please you, the owner. I would recommend teaching your dog as young as possible before he or she reaches a year old. My trusty furry friend, Chester here, is an Old English sheepdog mixed with miniature poodle, also known as sheepdoodle, and he picked up my commands pretty quickly with the persuasion of some kibble each time. To teach your dog to spin, hold a treat with your right hand and then move your hand counterclockwise or clockwise, or both, depending on which direction you want him or her to go. Practice one direction at a time, several times, until they do it without hesitation. Feed a treat each time they complete the task as a reward right away. To teach by my side, same thing. Hold a treat with your right hand and have your dog follow your finger and point to the spot you want them to sit at. For rollover, have them sit first. Hold the treat with the same hand and point your finger in a circular motion. It's best if you start having them lying down first. Then use your hands to manually roll them over to their side several times until they understand. This may take longer than other commands to learn, so do not feed the treat until they completely roll over. For bang bang, also known as play dead, I like to have a treat in my left hand and point my right hand like a gun to shoot at Chester. Since he just learned roll over, this bang bang trick was easier to pick up. Your dog may try to roll over, but once they are halfway, immediately feed them the treat after you shoot the bang bang motion. Again, do this several times. Lastly, if your dog needs to learn how to get into the crate, have them sit and wait a few feet away. Then go to the crate and leave a treat or two in there and say, "Go to your place," and point to the crate. Chester was hesitant to go into the crate before, so this command took a lot of patience and more time. I needed to gain his trust. Leave the crate door open so your dog doesn't feel like the crate is a bad place to be trapped in. Once Chester took the treat from the crate, he would step out quickly. So I had to put a treat in there several times, and once he went inside, I gave him another treat until I was able to successfully close the crate door. For every command, I recommend doing them when your dog is hungry and ready to do anything for food. I've added the link in the description box below so you can check out my favorite effective dog training treats. It's a great way to show who's boss. Let me know how your experiences go and what type of breed your dog is in the comments below. If you like more of these videos, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.